The Outdoor Recliner offers a relaxing place to lounge while enhancing the aesthetic of your outdoor space. These chairs have been designed with comfort and durability while allowing you to enjoy your time outdoors without worrying about the harsh conditions nature offers. One of the most incredible things about recliners is that they come in all shapes and sizes. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best outdoor recliners. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Best Choice Products Zero Gravity Lounge Recliners. The Best Choice Products Zero Gravity Lounge Recliners feature a smooth locking system, allowing you to recline and relax in an ergonomic position. These recliners come with removable padded headrests for added comfort. Another convenient feature is the detachable tray, with 2 cup holders and designated compartments for your phone and tablet. It features a high 250-pound weight capacity with flexible, low-wear textile fabric for lasting quality. This chair features a sturdy steel mesh frame and weather-resistant textile fabric made from PVC and polyester core yarns. It weighs just over 16 pounds, is lightweight, and folds flat for convenient storage and transport. In addition to backyard use, this versatile chair is perfect for the beach, camping trips, and outdoor sporting events. It comes as a set of 2, in an excellent selection of 15 colors, from neutral to more vibrant shades. Number 6. Giantex Set of 2 Patio Folding Chairs. The Giantex set of 2 patio folding chairs comes with complete assembly, which helps you save much effort and time. It is equipped with robust construction, and chairs are lightweight enough for you to be quickly taken or moved. Its 2 chairs are set to offer you much convenience, and the opportunity to sit together or chat with your family or friends to enjoy your spare time. Its main frame of sling chairs is crafted of high quality and durable steel tube and plastic. 3 horizontal bars make it more stable. Its seat and backrest are strong enough to bear weight up to 264 pounds. These sling chairs offer you a comfortable and spacious seat. It can be easily folded into a small size to help significantly save storage space. These folding chairs are easy to carry and fold up for storage. It can play a functional role in your home. Besides, it is also a perfect seat to relax in your back garden or enjoy a camping trip outside. Number 5. Grand Patio Indoor and Amp. Outdoor Moor Recliner. The Grand Patio Indoor and Amp Outdoor Moor Recliner offers 150 degrees of adjustable reclining that can be locked into the desired position with the touch of a handle. Its backrest is linked with a lifting footrest, ideal for watching TV, sleeping, reading, or simply relaxing. The curved armrests of this patio reclining chair allow your arms to rest comfortably. Its section cushions offer more support and comfort to your back and neck, and the recliner position handle location is easy to reach on the inside arm. Its side table built into the outside arm is easy to flip up when needed and perfect for holding snacks, drinks, and your book, phone, or tablet. This outdoor recliner chair features double-strand all-weather resin wicker that is hand-woven over a rust-resistant powder-coated steel frame built to withstand the outdoor elements. The Moor Patio Recliner is easy to assemble within 15 to 20 minutes with the enclosed instructions and all necessary parts. Number 4. Coastrail Outdoor Zero Gravity Chair. The Coastrail Outdoor Zero Gravity Chair provides you with more relaxing space. Oversized zero-gravity chairs support up to 400 pounds. Its weight is only 25 kilograms, and no assembly is needed. Zero-gravity reclining chair can adjust from 0 degrees up to 170 degrees. This reclining camping chair is equipped flexible locking mechanism. When you sit and find a comfortable position, push down the lock to keep in that position. This camping lounge chair is made of a rust-resistant steel frame and durable 600D polyester fabric, perfect for outdoor use. The removable pillow and wood armrest provides a comfortable, relaxing experience. This reclining lounge chair is designed with a metal latch pin that helps prevent the chair from folding while you sit on it. Pull it out when you need to fold the chair. This zero-gravity lounge chair is perfect for outdoors, camping, patio, lawn, and backyard. It's also suitable for indoor use, such as a living room. Number 3. Caravan Canopy Sports Zero Gravity Outdoor Recliner. The Caravan Canopy Sports Zero Gravity Outdoor Recliner offers the ultimate portable comfort. Its new and improved locking system allows you to lock the chair in any position, and an adjustable headrest is provided for additional comfort or use as lumbar support. It is perfect for backyard, beach, or sporting events. It supports up to 300 pounds. It is durable, long-lasting, textile outdoor-grade fabric suspended by a double bungee system on the high-strength and durable powder-coated steel frame. Not only is this chair ergonomic, but the aesthetic is pleasing for your chosen space, indoors or out. It has a sleek design, completed by high-strength steel with durable iron phosphate powder coating for rust protection, which keeps your chair looking good for longer. It is simply lean back, lock your position, and settle into the comfort of this Caravan Sports Zero Gravity chair. An adjustable headrest is also provided for an additional head or lumbar support. Number 2. Suteck Oversized Zero Gravity Chair. The Suteck Oversized Zero Gravity Chair can bear 500 pounds. 40 mm, 1.6 inch, thickened steel pipe can make the chair not shake and more stable, improve the bearing capacity and durability of the patio chair. Upgrade Texlin fabric, double elastic bands, breathable mesh, and removable soft cushions add extra comfort. The third-generation upgraded aluminum alloy lock makes it easier to adjust the chair from 90 degrees to 170 degrees. The 8mm deep groove locks the recliner more firmly, and is more durable than the previous two-generation 2mm plastic and aluminum buckles, making the recliner safer to use and will not fall from it. The ergonomically designed reclining chair can effectively reduce the pressure on the shoulder, back and waist. Full back, adjustable headrest and removable non-slip footrest can relax the body to the maximum extent. Number 1. Slendor Oversized Zero Gravity Chair. The Slendor Oversized Zero Gravity Chair on the basis of the existing of the market, with armrests have 33 inches wide, actual width is 27.2 inches, and wall thickness of the tube of XXL patio chair is increased to 1 mm. Increased product load and stability, can easily carry a larger volume of people. Support load 500 lbs. Slendor again widens gravity chair on the basis of the existing of the market, with armrests have 33 inches wide, actual width is 27.2 inches, and wall thickness of the tube of XXL patio chair is increased to 1 mm. Increased product load and stability, can easily carry a larger volume of people, support load 500 pounds. Patio lounge chairs come with a removable thick cushion, size is 60-inch L x 20.5-inch W x 2.8-inch thick, weight 4 pounds, can be removed in summer or hot weather to make it more breathable. Thick cushion is suitable for cold weather and the pursuit of softness, can be used in all seasons. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.